Good morning, everyone. Jesse Webb, TradersPro. Market conditions, futures are relatively flat this morning. Not a lot happening there. Yesterday we had a little bit of a pullback here in most major indices. Buy sell ratio, we're still looking at a positive buy sell ratio above 1, but we definitely are getting some of the divergence that I talked about yesterday with that little bit of a pullback right there. So a couple of cracks in this current trend, but the current uptrend is not broken. If we look at the S&P 500, excuse me, we do have a new short-term downtrend. We had already been in that long-term downtrend as we're kind of churning out this new rally. We've got some support right here, and this is that little move that we had yesterday. So a little bit of a down day, nothing too dramatic, but pulling back to support and pulling back to this current uptrend line. So we'll see if we can continue to hold support right there, and if we can get another push higher, would just add to this basing process that we've got currently in the markets as a whole. S&P 500, the Qs, which is the NASDAQ 100, pulled back here again. Some weakening in this current trend, so we've got to see some holding right here. This is a really bullish pattern still, as long as it holds up above these support areas, and there is some significant support. It's kind of dipped down or below it just slightly, but a little bit of caution needs to take place right here. We could see some diminishing trends right here as we see something breaking down, and this is just could be the early signs of that, so we need to be paying attention to that. A couple stocks to look at today out of the muscle stocks new buy group. One of them that I looked at here, ADMA, which is a really good looking bullish pattern. You had the real strong uptrend, and now you've got this consolidation, this counter trending move, and we've got our trend profile now pulled back into all positive and towards the early side of that trend. Don't necessarily want to look for stocks that are having that real strong uptrend and maybe sitting towards the upper end of that range. Allow them to pull back in a little bit, back into this buy zone. That sets up a little higher probability trade profile for a stock like that. So ADMA, one to watch for, and it's also got that nice breakout pattern. Breakout, retracement back down again, some support, sets up nicely for some potential upside gains. If you don't have full access to the Traders Pro site, you can sign up with the link below, and we look forward to having you. Have a great day today.